How to get rid of eye floaters. Massage your eye to help ease eye strain. To be able to massage your eye, you need to convey a warm cloth that is drenched in water over your eyelids. By massaging your temples, you'll reduce the stress and eye strain. Furthermore, it's stated that massage isn't just the way in which regarding how to treat eye floaters naturally but additionally good at staying away from eye floaters. One other way that is found effective is rubbing both hands together to produce the heat and placing both hands over your eye. This warmth may have stress-relieving and soothing effects. The necessity of eye exercise. Roll the eyeball within the circular motion clockwise and anti-clockwise. It's suggested repeating the exercise a minimum of 10 times each day. You want to do this daily. Eye exercise not just treats eye floaters but additionally keeps this ailment away. Another being active is holding some particular objects just like a pencil. Put it from your eyes and move ahead. Try to pay attention to the item. It is best to continue doing this exercise several times each day. Additionally, it relieves eye floater symptoms. Drink enough water. Water can help you take away the contaminant out of your body effectively. Consequently, consuming water will release the symptoms of eye floaters. However, you shouldn't consume an excessive amount of sodium that contains drinks. It's suggested consuming enough 8 portions of water each day to keep the body hydrated. Relax your eye. Just closing your eye and relaxing your muscle mass from the eyes might be enough to beat the issue. It has been established repeatedly that relaxing is possibly the easiest and best how to beat this issue. It is possible whenever throughout the day and particularly when focusing on computers or if you watch TV or doing offers. This can be a must.